Welcome back to a DIY tutorial. Today we're going Bob the Builder mode, Birdhouse Edition. These two simple ways will show you how to build a home for our singing buddies. So take notes and observe. We measure twice and cut once. It may take some time, but good things come to those who wait. The house is starting to look nice and cozy for the birds. And here it is. We've got a very nice home with 4 balconies and a view. Let's wear our building gloves one more time. The next house is going to have a more industrial vibe with a bit of rustic to it. These tools are quite handy. They could save you a lot of time. Let's nail these circles down. Now, let's begin with the other part of the construction. We need those to be tight and secure. Making sure the architecture is nice and very birdesque. Almost done. And it turned out lovely, a perfect roosting place for the birds.